So today I'm going to show you one of the project which we have done recently, and the clients are Mr. Dinesh Jaiswal and Mrs. Renu Jaiswal. So they have very minimalistic taste. They didn't want too much in their house, so we designed that way. So I'll show you that. Anything, so we designed this very simple living room for them. And you can see very neutral shades which we have used. Just we have used some of the greens here to highlight the color. So I'm going to explain you about this partition which we have designed. So the client wanted a partition where one side they can put their crockeries and the other side they can put their money, which you can operate from this side. And you can put your crockeries here properly. And if we come to this side, so there is a small mandir and these drawers to extend if they want to put something there and do their puja, and then puja materials they can keep it here, and other stuff which they can put it here. So when they are not doing puja or there is no light, they can just simply close it like this. Now, so this partition is separating both the areas, dining and living areas, plus it is giving a long look to the gallery. So there are not very people coming in this place, but we have designed a simple guest room here, and you can see this storage which can be used for the other purpose also, and TV unit. So ये हमारी अलमीरा है जिसमें हमने tinted glass यूज करा हुआ है. So like this way, when you open it, it is automatically lit. अभी सामान ज़्यादा नहीं भरा हुआ है इसके अंदर. Again, so if there is light inside your wardrobe, you can see what kind of colors you want to wear and what kind of clothes you have. तो थोड़ा सा ये देखने में इजी हो जाता है. एंड दिस इज द ड्रेसर. इसके नीचे हमें अभी एक स्टूल देना है विच विल प्रोवाइड so that she can just pull out the stool and sit here and just can do their makeup. So clients are living here and they are using this kitchen, and they have very as I said, they have very classical taste, so they have taken this kind of wooden grains with some neutral color. So this is the kitchen which you can see. Now as they didn't want any inbuilt up, they want their microwave to be kept here. So we provided this kind of tall unit where they can keep their microwave, freestanding microwave. So you can see there is a green trolley below this. Supported pull out to keep your oils and small containers. Again a cutlery unit. You can keep all your cutlery. You can just see it. Your bowls, cups and all, the way you want to use it. It's not necessary that you keep the same thing, but then other boxes, containers. So this is the your snack unit where they have put some snacks. Again, this is a drawer unit where they have kept their utensils which they use in daily purpose. And again, big utensils you can keep below. And on this side there is a 3 feet full size refrigerator, and again they have taken this kind of wicker baskets to keep their aloo, pyaj and other stuff. There is a small veggie wash sink which is going to be used for the vegetable wash and fruit wash, and above this there is a RO. So dishes are washed outside the kitchen in the balcony area, utility area, and kept it here. There is a small open shelf just to